Ano naman yung nandyan sa cellphone mo?
Ang sabi ni
Daya mo,
Congressman...
may kodigo ka, ha?
Hindi kasi kakabasa ko lang. Sabi ni Congressman Erice, ICI is now dead.
Okay.
It has no credibility, especially ngayon, bago ang naratibo ng palasyo. Tapos sinabi niya, cover-up will require a series of cover-ups until it explodes right in their faces.
Hala.
Sabi
Yan
niya, I
din.
was not surprised. Sabi niya, referring to Sing Song's decision. And we exchanged texts.
Ibig mo sabihin,
madami pa eh.
Ibig mo sabihin, hindi totoo yung sinabi ni nung parang pinakapinuno ng ICI na dahil tumatanda na,
Justice.
Dahil
tumatanda na si Babe
taken up na
Singson.
raw ang stress sa kanyang aging body.
Right.
Baka
right.
naman
Aging
masolusyonan pa ng anti-aging.
Vitamins?
Turuan mo nga.
Ha? Vitamins? Stem cell lang yan. Check.
Oh, may panahon pa.
Stem cell.
Pwede
Mahal
pa
nga
bumalik.
lang. Pero, hindi, tama rin naman yung sinabi ni former Congressman Jing Paras. Parang walang pagkukunan ng budget. Di ba parang it's unlawful yung nangyari na binuo yan, supposedly independent, walang allotted budget, and then not really entirely independent. Because
Why? Because,
Under the
Because
office.
they
it came
rely-
from the executive.
right,
President.
yeah, they serve at the pleasure of.
Hindi, tsaka another thing there is, it's a duplication, they say, of the job of the ombudsman. Di ba? Ganun din yun.